Are you a food lover? If yes, and you are a real foodie, then you should watch this video till end, as we will be covering the top 5 best Indian dishes in this quick video that you cannot miss. We are going to show you the best 5 Indian dishes that will tempt your taste buds, because India is renowned for its unique food. We will start with butter chicken. Both locals and visitors adore this creamy filling dish, which is a mainstay of Indian cooking. Butter and cream are added to a spicy tomato-based sauce with tender bits of chicken to give it a velvety feel. You won't be able to help but lick your plate clean. It is typically served with a side of rice or naan bread. The humble dosa is next on our list. This thin, crispy pancake is typically served with a variety of chutneys and sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew. It is created with fermented rice and lentil batter. Although it is a common breakfast item in India, this dish is suitable for any meal of the day. It is a dish you must try due to its adaptability and delectable flavor. Next, we get chaat, a well-liked local dish from the street food category. Chaat is a dish made up of fried dough that has been crisped up, potatoes, onions, and chickpeas, with a variety of chutneys and yogurt on top. You will want more because it has a tangy, spicy, and sweet flavor all at once. The following dish is biryani, a flavorful rice-based dish. It is a dish that is prepared in one pot using flavorful basmati rice, meat or veggies, and a mixture of enticing spices. After that, the meal is baked or cooked slowly to blend the flavors. Biryani is a mainstay at every Indian celebration and will leave you full. Masala dosa is the last but certainly not the least. This South Indian meal resembles a conventional dosa but has a spicy potato filling, as well as number of other vegetables. It is a common breakfast choice in India and typically served with coconut chutney and sambar. It is flavorful, filling, and healthful, making it the ideal way to start the day. That concludes the list of the top 5 Indian foods that you really must eat, folks. There is something for everyone, from the rich and creamy butter chicken to the spicy and crispy chaat. So go ahead and indulge in these delectable delicacies to discover India's extraordinary flavors. Do like and share this video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for further videos.